I'm living abroad and I want to start a business in Nigeria, these are 5 businesses I'm going to start that is going to be giving me at least 7 figures every single month. I know there are a lot of people that have been trying to start a business in Nigeria, or some that have already started, but they lost everything because people mismanage their business because they are not there, or even their family made away with their money, or you have heard about these things and you are scared of even starting a business in Nigeria when you are not there because you don't want to lose your money and you don't want your business to be mismanaged. You see, these business ideas I'm going to be sharing, you can run it from anywhere in the world and it will be running smoothly because of the systems, the structures you're going to put in place. You're going to know every single thing that is happening in real time. The good thing about this business idea is that anyone can start it with at least 5 million naira and you'll be making consistent 7 figures every single month if you do it well. Now, what are these business ideas? Number 1 is the rent to rent business. This is how it works. You can actually rent an apartment in Nigeria, have an agreement with the landlord that you want to use this particular apartment for business. You can share profit, give him small things so that he will allow you to use his apartment for business. When you rent this apartment, have this agreement with the landlord, you can furnish it a bit and then put it out for monthly rent. There are a lot of people coming into any state. You can do this in Port Harcourt, you can do this in Lagos, you can do it in Abuja, you can do it in Enugu, you can do it just about anywhere that people always come into. There are a lot of people that come into the state every single month looking for where to stay. Imagine you put that apartment on a weekly or monthly rent. Say you are charging weekly 200,000 naira to stay in your apartment for a week. Do you know it's much more cheaper than renting a hotel in most states? If they are paying you 250,000 naira, 200,000 naira every week, do you know it's an additional 800 to 1 million naira for you every week on your apartment? Oh my God. If you want to implement any of these ideas, I am telling you, it works. Hey, it works like crazy. 5 million naira can start this proper for you and you'll be making consistent 800 to 1 million naira every single month. No be money be that. You know what 1 million naira is going to do for you in this Nigeria? They play. You see why I say you can actually do this business from anywhere in the world. You can have people that are managing this thing for you and they are reporting back to you, while you also know when people rent your apartment. You can have CCTV camera in front of the apartment so you know what is going in and out of your apartment if you want. But when you have a good management, of course, they are going to be reporting back to you every single time what is happening in your apartment. You don't need too much stress. You don't require to employ a lot of people to help you run the business. So you can actually have a structure that you can manage or maintain from anywhere in the world. See, I've not even gotten to number 3. If I get to number 3, I wonder what you do. What I'm going to be dishing now. Anyone you do, I am telling you, you are in for good money this year in 2026 if you start any of them. The second business idea you can start right now that will be giving you good money monthly in Nigeria is the laundry and cleaning service business. This is how you are going to do this, and you can be able to run it from anywhere in the world. You don't have to do the normal one that people have a laundry shop and people come every single day, do their laundry and all of those kind of things. That one will be so much more harder to manage. But if you start your laundry and cleaning service and have like a B2B contract, that is, you are doing laundry for another business, you are doing laundry for another enterprise, it will be much more easier for you to manage it because it's now going to be on a contract basis, that is monthly contract basis. Imagine you start a laundry business and then you have a contract with another hotel for you to be doing their laundry for them for a specific amount every single month. Do you know what that thing is? Now imagine you have with hotel A, hotel B. Do you know how much you're going to be making every week? Let's not even talk about every month. And this one, you don't need to think about, oh, how many people are coming into my laundry? Are you sure there are these people that are doing this laundry and they are giving me the right thing? That's why a lot of people start their laundry and then when they are not on ground to manage it, it just folds up because the people that are doing the thing for them are actually scamming them or using their money to do anything they want. If you start your laundry and cleaning service and make it B2B, of course you'll be able to manage this one better because you know how much is coming in every month. You have the contract with the company yourself and also they remit to you. It doesn't go through anybody. You just have people that are washing the clothes and delivering it. Simple and short. Chicken. See, this is I'm dishing out to you. People are paying money money for it though. Don't take it for granted though. I'm giving you rema here. You see this number 3, ba? If you start this one, you're not just going to be making small money. You're actually going to be building a business that even your children can inherit. You're actually going to be building sustainable wealth through this business. It's called the franchise business model. Think about any well-known millionaire you know in the world. You will see that at least 80% of them have a franchise business. Every business you know in the world can be franchisable. You just need to find out how to make your own work. I'm going to be giving you some ideas of a franchise business you can start in Nigeria, that you can start with small money, establish it in one branch, and when you are done establishing it in one branch, you can go to another branch, replicate the same thing, and have multiple places that income is coming for you from a particular state or even in the whole country. What are these franchise ideas you can start? 1, you can start a car wash franchise business. Hey, and I'm giving my business ideas here. I am telling you, everything I am telling you are the things I've already thought about. Oh, I'm going to do this thing. Oh, how am I going to do this thing? But if you start it before me, no problem. When I'm ready, another one will come for me. No wahala. How does this one work? Let me give you the backstory of how I got this idea. There is one place I used to buy suya close to me. And in that place that we are buying suya, there is someone that also has a car wash, their small car wash, where people just come park their car and those people will wait for them to wash their car. When they are done, those people will go. So I went to buy suya one day. I just sat, I was like, hey, almost see business. So this is a business, but this person is still doing like it's side hustle kind of thing. You understand? But if you start this thing as a real business, this is good money. These people that come to wash their cars, most of them come like 2 times every week or 3 times every week. Some of them come every day. Some people that actually have transport business, in the evening the whole place is full. They are waiting for their car to be washed, and while they are waiting, they stay, they are sitting down. Do you know that time they are sitting down is business that is looking for who is going to collect it? And I was like, do you know, if you start a car wash franchise and have somewhere that people can park their car, have someone that is washing the car, and while they are waiting, start entertaining them, either for them to relax or for them to just enjoy themselves, because that is what happens. Some of them, while they are waiting, they'll just go to the suya spot where we usually buy suya, and they'll go and get like 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 naira suya while they are waiting. The man is making money. Are you seeing it? The man is making money. Now imagine you have a car wash franchise where people actually come and wash their cars, and while they are washing, there is something like a massage chair that is actually helping them relax, because it has been a long day. They can just sit there, relax, and be enjoying themselves, relaxing their nerves while their car is being washed. And then there is someone that is doing like that suya or small soul food that they can use and be munching on while they are waiting for their car to be washed. Hey, do you know that somehow you've turned this thing that is just a car wash business into somewhere people can actually hang out at the end of their day? Now imagine you make this a membership only car wash, meaning that everybody that is coming there, they pay for membership or they pay a subscription every month just to come and enjoy that. Hey God, I am telling you, you'll be making good money. And this business, it doesn't even take you much to start. You just need the space, you need the car wash equipment, and then have a JV with someone that is going to be entertaining people while you buy a massage something or a relaxation equipment that is going to be helping people relax. Even if they are paying you at least 50,000 naira, 50, the smallest, 50,000 naira as membership or subscription every single month. If 100 people pay you 50,000 naira every month, that is 5 million naira. Now imagine you have this kind of thing in like 3 spots in a state. That is 15 million naira every single month for you. I don't want to talk too much in this one. If you want, go and do this one. If you want, don't do it. This one is the only idea I'm going to give you right now for this franchise. You can start with that one. There are many other ones, but if you want to know the many other ones, talk to me. Let's talk. This one is the only one I'm going to be dishing out. If you want to know any other way you can start a franchise business, let's talk on WhatsApp. Oh my God, you are going to be making good money. People are leaving money on the table. People are leaving good money on the table. Don't say I do not do anything for you this year. Like, do not say I am not giving you ideas or businesses you can start right now and make good money from this year. I've given you New Year gift, so now you go do yourself if you not start any of this. See, if you've watched this point and you've not liked this video, you're looking for my trouble, tell me that I'm not trying. Just Tell me I am not trying. Let me hear. Like this video, Joe. And also share it. Oh, share this video with your friends. Share it on your WhatsApp status. You never know who will need it. Thank you so much. The fourth business you can start from anywhere in the world and make good money every single month is a managed storage facility. Oh my God. This one is quiet money. There are very few warehouses in Nigeria. Very few people that are tapping into this thing in Nigeria. They are making good money because warehouse costs. Do you know that in the agricultural sector of Nigeria, over 30 to 40% of harvested products actually spoil because of lack of storage and preservation facilities. This one, they have finished growing the crop, they have harvested it, but because they don't have anywhere to store it, 30 to 40% of the harvested produce in Nigeria spoil. This is business. This is money looking for who will come and take it. And this one, you don't need stress. It's very quiet money. All you need is to get your warehouse and help people store either their produce or their merchandise for online business owners or small business owners, and you'll be making good money from storage costs. This particular business can give you at least 10 million naira every single month if you do it well in a good location. Even your children go inherit am. They use and they feed. This one, how many people are you employing? One. How many people are you managing? One. And you will know what is happening. This one, they cannot scam you. These are the businesses you can start in Nigeria from anywhere in the world. Make good money and no one will mismanage your business funds. Now, the last but not the least is to have a digital service. If you're someone that is tech savvy or know someone that is tech savvy, someone that can build an app or help you build an app, you can do this beautifully. Let me give you an idea of the kind of service you can actually start in Nigeria right now and make good money without doing anything, just by being a middleman. No. Imagine you start an errand service app where people can book who can help them run an errand. So and so, help me and go to market, buy this, and when you are done, this is the amount you are going to be paid. And for each person that books, they pay a service fee that is going to you. Oh my God, if you do this well. You see how they have food service app? If you start an errand service app or even a bodyguard service app, you're going to make good money without doing nada, just by being the person that owns and runs. I have given you 5 beautiful business ideas you can start from anywhere in the world and make at least 7 figures, at least 1 million naira go dey enter your account every month without you doing much, without you being there on ground, and even without anybody mismanaging your funds. If you found value from any of this, let me know in the comment section which one interests you the most. Which one do you want more info on? Let me know in the comment section. If you've not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go to my channel. If you are interested in real estate, you're interested in building, you're interested in starting a business and running it effectively in Nigeria, binge watch. By the time you watch 3 videos, no person will tell you to subscribe. If you are meeting me for the very first time, my name is Justinadi. I'm a realtor in Port Harcourt, specialized in shortlet and building passive income properties. So if you're looking to invest in Nigeria, you want to invest in things that are going to be making you money in Nigeria, then let's connect. Okay, I will see you in the very next video.